Walang nagkakamali.
Inspections of individual drill members compare maintaining the highest degree of efficiency expected from them. The platoon sergeant will conduct a series of random inspection which will be done in breathtaking executions. Hold your breath and watch how members of drill team twist, turn, and toss their M1 Garand rifle under the scrutinizing eye of the equally snappy platoon sergeant. The M1 Garand rifle, semi-automatic rifle, used by the United States Army from 1936 to 1959. The rifle was named after designer John Garand. It was the first standard issue semi-automatic military rifle. The Garand officially replaced the bolt actions in 1903 Springfield and the standard service rifle of the United States Armed Forces in 1936. It was subsequently replaced by the selected Fire M14 starting in 1959. During World War II, the M1 gave U.S. forces a distinct advantage in firefight against their Axis enemies, as their standard issue rifles were more effective than Axis, slowing firing bolt action rifles. The M1 continued to be used in large number until 1963, into lesser degree until 1976. Today, M1 remains in use for drill purposes.
Wow.
Kasi sa
Wow. Yan malaki. Sunetan nyo. Sugar. Sore de Manila. Sore de Manila.
The M1 is an air-cooled, gas-operated, flip-fed, semi-automatic shot. You've just heard the sound of a tension call. On 10 August 1996, the Philippine Marine Corps outlaws from the then Marine Security Escort Company, the unit that renders military honors and ceremonies to high-ranking military officials, head the state and other visiting foreign dignitaries, as well as providing the most admired honor guard at Dr. Rizal Monument in Luneta. These selected Marines experienced the hardship of fundamentals of training under direct supervisions of their officers and non-commissioned officers. They were trained to perform a very distinct role that becoming a member of platoon is already considered as a great pride and honor. The distinctiveness of drill exhibition embodies the kind of character, attitude, and professionalism that in combat or drills and ceremonies. Truly unique to be considered as the cutting edge of the armed forces of the Philippines and representative of the best in soldiery. Watch them as they perform the rifle exhibition, slow drill using the standard M1 Garand rifle. The drillers are now performing the letter H and I. Hi, welcome to Luneta Park, Manila. The nation's premier park, this solid exhibition is rendered to all guests and visitors who are with us today. Now, cover your ears as they offer initial salvo to officially welcome you all on this occasion. The next formation about is the anchor. In amphibious operations, the dropping of the anchor is signal to start and a hoisting But it's time to signal to start a survival exhibition showcasing discipline, brotherhood, and camaraderie among the few, the proud, the Marines. The Philippine Marine Corps has 4 tactical brigade, a combat service and support brigade, a 5 combat service support battalion, Coastal Defense Regiment, our Reserve Brigade, 12 Rifle Battalions, Marine Special Operation Group, Marine Corps Force Development Center, Headquarters and Quarter Service Group, and the Marine Security Escort Group, where the trailers belong. Brace yourself for another salvo as a tribute to the Philippine Navy, the mother unit of the Philippine Marine Corps. Rifle rotation. You're about to see one of the most difficult portions of this exhibition. How it's cute and dangerous tracking motions, the precision, courage, teamwork, and trust of fellow Marines.
Brace yourself for
This shows
another
the type of
salvo.
attitude the Marines should have in the conduct of offensive combat operations, where they will have nowhere else to go but to charge forward. It is done without hesitations and retreat just even a fractions of a second will mean injury from an enemy or a friendly fire. This is to play aggressiveness in actions to one who have earned our title as the cutting edge of the armed forces of the Philippines.
Galing, oh, tinan mo. Oh,
Kaya tatamaan.
galing, di ba?
Support to the Philippine Navy's visions by 2028 as a modern, mortally capable, the Philippine Marines will focus on modernization and development of national amphibious force, coastal defense, special operations, and humanitarian and disaster relief. The drillers are now performing the X formation. This formation signifies the interrelationship and close bonding among brother Marines. That's only unique and long-time tradition in the Marine Corps.
Galing oh, sabay-sabay.
Since creation 1950s, the Marines have their share of blood at the drop in the beaches in the islands Sulu, Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, Central Mindanao, and other double spots across the country. The essence of brotherhood is never-ending bond that holds the core to the saying that once a Marines, always a Marine. Now, cover your ears as they offer their final salvo as a gratitude for being with us today.
Wow. Napapasigaw sila. Ayaw na.
Perform the rifle exhibition, the symbol of sharing is vital to the cause. Sharing of knowledge, wisdom, and tradition, which were to present the Marines, is no different from Marines that came ahead from them.
Sabay-sabay. Wala nagkakamali.
Inspections of individual drill members compare maintaining the highest degree of efficiency expected from them. The platoon sergeant will conduct a series of random inspection which will be done in breathtaking executions. Hold your breath and watch how members of our drill team twist, turn, and toss their M1 Garand rifle under the scrutinizing eye of the equally snappy platoon sergeant. The M1 Garand rifle, semi-automatic rifle, used by the United States Army from 1936